Hey there, let me show you how to create a sign for digital signage. Let's begin. Step 1. Create a sign. Begin with opening a template. Manually submit information like price, product name, or adding pictures. Or you can select a product from the product list and drag and drop it into the template, automatically filling out all the fields with the corresponding information to your selected product. Step 2. Send to a display. Now that you have one or two templates ready, add them to the digital signage queue and select which display you want to send your content to. Wait a few seconds. There we are, all done. Do you want to learn more about Shoppa signage software? Check out our website or watch our how-to videos.